ACRA and ICTAS on the forum on the Code of Professional Conduct and Ethics. We are pleased to bring you this educational forum on the revised code. And the revised code is based on the Code of Ethics for Professional Accountants of the International Federation of Accountants, or IFAC, of which ICTAS is a member body. In fact, I'm very heartened to see many of you here. Initially, when we came for this seminar, we used a much smaller room because we thought this is ethics. Many of us would have read it already, and we probably felt that this is not something that is that exciting. But as we opened up registration, the numbers kept going up, and in the end, we had to negotiate with Marriott, for a bigger room. And indeed, thank you for coming. I thought the fact that many of you are here, I was just asking Julika the other day. I said, numbers is filling up, so I said it must be you that you are coming. You're a keynote speaker. Of course, Kudes is strongly objected. I said, you can't be said that we have good accountants here who are very highly compatible to learn. But nevertheless, I'm glad to see so many of you here this morning. Providing more guidance on how to apply the principles and the independence rule. This code actually places the expectation to proactively identify and eliminate potential threats to independence. About IFAC and IESPA, as the global organization for the accountancy profession, IFAC actually works with 157 members and associates in 133 countries and jurisdictions to protect the public interest by encouraging high quality practices by the world's accountants. IFAC members and associates, which are primarily national professional accountancy bodies, represent 2.5 million accountants employed in public practice, industry and commerce, government and academia. Amongst these various standard-setting boards, like that of the International Audit Commission Standard Board, and of course IFAC have many other committees. The International Ethics Standards Board for Accountants, or IESEA, develops ethical standards and guidance for use by professional accountants. It encourages members' bodies to adopt high standards of ethics for their members and promote good ethical practices globally. Serving the public interest, IFAC continues to strengthen the worldwide accountancy profession and contribute to the development of strong international economies by establishing and promoting adherence to high-quality professional standards, furthering the international convergence of such standards, and speaking out on public interest issues where professionals' expertise is most relevant. Continuing education and training in ethics. Best of breed ethics is a journey without an end, as many of us know. Refinements will come as the operating landscape evolves. As such, we believe that continuous education and training in ethics should be made available so as to instill in professionals the core fundamental principles that are expected by the public at large. ICPS will work with stakeholders and partners, particularly ACRA, our regulator of companies and business, and independent regulator for public accountants, to roll out CPE courses to update members and interested participants on developments in the code and ethical matters. And of course, on this code, later I will share with you that it has gone through a very robust process in Singapore. So while it's adopted from international standard or IFAC, ACRA itself has gone through the due process, and that has been very, very robust. The issuance of the enhanced code is part of ACRA's commitment to providing an internationally reputed regulatory framework for the accountancy profession in Singapore. The code's requirement to act ethically and to be independent ensure that investors can have well-founded confidence in Singapore's accountancy profession and the financial reporting landscape. Ethics can drive business strategy. In turbulent times like this, we need strong business leadership that puts value and ethics up front. Ethical leadership makes a big difference to the organization in steering all towards the proper direction. Ethics in Singapore's aim to develop itself as an